Welcome. Today I am with LG NanoCell TV and I will show you how you can make the software update. At the first you have to tap on the settings button on the remote control. Next you have to go for the all settings. Right now we have to go for the support and click on the software update. Then we can activate automatic updates, but we can also check for the updates by tapping right here. As you can see, currently we got no updates found, we are up to date, but if you will get the update, you will get here an option to simply click and confirm that you want to get update, that you want to download and then install the update. I can recommend you to stay with this option enable. I use it, and every time that I have update, it just pops automatically on my screen. So if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.